My name is Kotowich, and
Hi guys, this is Adriana.
and today we're going to talk about NOAA, which is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
A little bit about the history of NOAA. It first started with three main ancestors. It was the U.S. Coast Survey, the U.S. Weather Bureau, and the U.S. Commission of Fish and Fisheries. Nowadays, NOAA is present in every state and U.S. territory, and is recognized as the world's leader in different sciences.
And a little bit about, how NOAA collects data. Well, on the screen you can see a little picture over here. It's got a ship, and it's going to sail around the seas around the United States and always collecting data, wave height, temperatures, a bunch of different things. And then you also have the satellite, which gives you a view from space. And then airplanes over here too. So they have many different ways to collect data. Now, there are a few ways that you can actually get this data from from NOAA, and it all comes from the National Digital Forecast Database. And so there's two easy ways to request data from this database. The first is using a SOAP request, and the SOAP request, it's a simple object access protocol, and it sets rules for structuring messages that can be used for simple one-way messaging. It was developed by Microsoft, but it relies heavily on XML, the extensible markup language, and so it's a little difficult to use with certain programming languages. One of the good benefits is that it will actually provide error handling for you. And so now I'm going to go over a sample request. And as you can see, this website just shows you basics on what it is and how it works. And so we are going to use the subgrid. So it's corner points, so it's going to make a little square on a map. And then down here you put in all your information, what latitude, longitudes you'd like, resolution, time, what variable you're looking at. Here we have max temperature selected, but you have min temperature, wind speed, weather, wind direction, snow amount, so many different types. And then we scroll to the bottom and hit submit. And then this is what would be returned to you. Over here you can see the latitude and longitude, and these are all different points that were found in that subgrid to make it more accurate. Now the other type is for REST requests, and it's actually very similar, and so we're just going to hit submit, and it'll return something along these lines. Now, the benefits of the REST requests, and it stands for the Representational State Transfer. It's lightweight, it works with all the different computer languages, uses HTTP methods, and does not require XML. And it returns the information in the form of JSON, CSV, or RSS. Right now it's showing an XML file, so it's been converted. Now, one of the even cooler things that NOAA allows us to do is they have this thing called the grib, and what it does is you send a request to the database, and it'll return it to you with a grib2 file, and then this allows you to degrib the file so that you can view it. And it's a very cool little program. This is how you install it and how it works, and I already have it installed, so I'll show you. So you'll bring up a little video or a little box like this, and from here you can see that this is the National Digital Forecast Database. These are all preset requests that you can send to retrieve data from the database. So since we're in Florida, I'm going to scroll down to the southeast, and then we are going to download. And so now it's retrieving all the data from the database
and it is decribbing it. So it's putting it into a view that we can see. And it doesn't take too long here. And as you can see, you can have 1 to 7 days, 1 to 3 days, 4 to 7 days, or you can check almost a whole, well, more than a year. And then you have experiments and whatnot down here. I haven't really looked into that yet. And now the cool part is that we can generate an image of this plot. Now that it's finished loading, we can actually go up and see this image that it's brought for us. And it's pretty cool. You can see the max temperature forecast ending Saturday, April 11th. And then if you want to see more information, you can actually go to animation here. It takes a little while for it to load, since we are using Internet Explorer. Okay, so now again we can see the apparent temperature. And then if you hit the scroll down, you can see max temperature, minimum temperature, a bunch of really cool things, dew points, which is helpful in Florida, overall weather, so it looks like we're not having too much today. Okay, and now Adriana is going to discuss some of the other companies that use NOAA in order to make their programs better.
Okay, so what's GIS? GIS is the Geographical Information System. It's great for compiling and managing data. It works very good with advanced maps, and it's great to perform spatial analysis. What NOAA did is that they signed an agreement with the GIS platform that will increase the availability of ocean and weather data applications. Esri is the world's leader in GIS technology, and they're headquartered on Redlands, California. NOAA also maintains data quality while building GIS platforms, and NOAA also has the ability to increase access to Esri software and services. This lets NOAA data and applications available to all partners. NOAA has unlimited access to Esri desktop and server products such as ArcGIS for desktop, ArcGIS Spatial Analyst and 3D Analyst extensions, and ArcGIS for maritime. NOAA now has the benefit to subscribe to Esri's ArcGIS Online. So now over here in the website, you can see some of the benefits of using GIS, which is the power of mapping. It's great for cost savings and greater efficiency. If you want to read more about it, you can just click here and read more, and it'll tell you more about it. It's great for better decision making, to improve the communication, better record keeping, and for management geographically, which is the main purpose of NOAA. So now if we scroll up and we go to how GIS works, because I'm guessing all of you are wondering, it's really cool. If you click here, this is a video that will show you how this map works and how cool it is for users to apply and use it not just in one territory but around the world. Also, if you scroll down, you can try it yourself how the mapping works, how interactive it is, and how great it is for us to just put a pinpoint in any region around the world, and you can see a bunch of interactions. If you go to the showcases, it also shows you about GIS around the world. Let's give it a second for it to download. Load into data. Great, so if you click here, as you can see, there's a map of North and South America. You can click here in Brazil, how it has helped in Brazil, a case, how GIS has helped in Brazil, how it has helped in actually, yeah, you can, it's hard to tell which country it is, but it's right there in South America. You can see it in here. in Central America, and this is Tampa Bay in Florida, which is our region.
Okay, guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Again, my name is Sean Kotowich, and this is...
My name is Adriana Solano, and again, you can go to the website NOAA.gov to learn more about this organization.
Thanks for watching.